It's getting darker, as you see. Here we have the newest Falcons tea in Catalonia, Falcons de Vallbona. From the southern parts of the Comarca d'Anoia, where we are leaving behind the vineyards and soft hills of Penedès and entering into a more mountainous landscape. But here this team is performing in Llorenç del Penedès, in the Penedès heartlands, where we have towns literally surrounded by vineyards. The name of this construction, unless I'm mistaken, is la figureta alta, which I will translate as the tall figure. And it's crowned there with a headstand in the middle. And the same slightly special sliding down of the top child there on the mid-construction. Head first. We are at the Falcons meeting, Tobada de Falcons, in Llorenç del Penedès, Catalonia 2012.